Kabalo kita that the Word of God, as John chapter 1, in the beginning was the Word, and the Word was with God, and the Word was God. Sa kay Moses, even kay Joshua, sila niya, you should meditate this word, this commandment, day and night, so that your way will be prosperous and successful. In all the battles and decision-making of David, your word, O Lord, is a lamp to my feet and a light unto my path. Siling ni Job, when it comes to the utmost needs, sang iya kalag, kag sang iya kabuhi, that even he treasured the word of God more than his necessary food. Those who have the clarity, pag-organize siya panghuna-una, may pagtuo kay Lord, may paghigugma sa iya, in this time may ara sa tuod nga relasyon. That's why even si Paul, in all his struggles, his suffering, his persecution, his betrayal, isa ka bagay that is so loud and clear sa iya, all scriptures is God's breath. He told this to Timothy, and it is useful for teaching, for correcting, for training in righteousness, so that the man of God may be thoroughly equipped by every good work. Amoy na sa kaimportansya kung nga ang pulong sa Diyos is a catalyst because the Word of God is inerrant. The Word is settled. Wala sang sayop. So that's amo na po nga ang catalyst siya kag makasali kita that once we have the Word, nga makipag-relasyon kita sa Word, because these are the notions of the people. Sila, I believe Jesus Christ. I love Jesus Christ. But how can you say that you love Jesus Christ without having so particular when it comes to the Word? May mga tao mamaya lang magsimba pero magpamati na sa puso dito, hindi na maghatag atensyon. They feel bored, something like, wala sila gana. Isa kadako nga ebidensya nga may nga si Lord imo ginhigugma, si Lord imo pagtuo, may relasyon ka kay Lord, is that how you are so particular to the word. Your ears always lean to the listening, to the preaching, to the teaching of the word. Because amo na sa ang yabi sang imo pag-uswag. Ang imo yabi sa imo protection, sang imo kalipay, sang imo paghidait. Amo na saya ang yabi sang imo nga pag-uswag sa kabuhi. Without any repercussion in the near future, the Word of God. Because the author of this is no other than God. So He knows not just only the present, but even the future. So that's why ginakategorize kita as sheep if you really believe on Him, and He is our shepherd, nga kinahanglan kita magpamati.